Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to run CMD as an administrator. All right. I will show you multiple ways. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar. Now just go ahead and type in CMD. Right here, you have the option at the right pane, run as administrator. Just click on it and there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. There we have our command prompt. Another option, in your search bar right here, type in CMD again. Now right click on command prompt. As you can see here, run as administrator is an option as well. Again, there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now another cool way right here, when you go to your search bar and type in run, hit on enter. This window will pop up. So what we're going to do in here is just type in CMD, then hold Control plus a Shift key on your keyboard and then hit on enter. All right. Again, there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.